We're back to learning JavaScript. Let us talk a little bit about arrays. These can store more than one value, so it's basically like a variable, but we can put multiple values inside of it. So if we, for example, let's create some fruits, make it fruit 1, fruit 2, fruit 3. And each of these variables have a value, which is the name of the fruit. You can use an array to put all three into the same element. Usually you use a type of const for arrays. So let me make that fruits. And then you declare your variable, you declare your array by writing equals to square brackets. So for arrays you always use square brackets. And now inside I'll add the names of the fruits using quotation marks, and I divide the values with a comma. You can also do that with numbers, then you don't need the quotation marks, but you add the commas to separate the different values. So in this case, our array has 3 values, and arrays always start with a 0. So apple is not in position 1, it's in position 0. Banana is position 1, and pear is position 2 in the array. Let me delete our variables here. And if I now want to print this out, I can, for example, use document.write. And inside I use the name of the array, fruits, square brackets, and I add a 0, and this will give us the apples. If I make it 1, it will be the banana. And if I make this 2, it will be the pear. And this is also called the index of the value inside of the array. So apple has the index 0, banana index 1, pear index 2. We can change these values somewhat similar. We'll select our array, fruits, then we use square brackets. We'll pick the index, let me pick the pears, so I use 2. And now I set it to equal orange. And now if I print it out again, you can see we have the pear first, which is the original array, index position 2. And then we've changed that to orange, so now we can see the orange. Let me delete this part. And this time we want to print out the entire array. To do that, we'll just add fruits. So the name of the array. I'll refresh it, and here you go. We see apple, banana, pear. This is all printed out. So when you access the name, it will give you the entire set of values that's stored inside. And if I, for example, change this now, fruit index 0 to orange, which would replace the apple. Index position 2, I'll set it to cherry, and this should replace the pear. Let me print it out again. And there you go. So the first set is the original array, apple, banana, pear. And the second set is the updated one where we have orange in position 0, banana in position 1, and cherry in position 2. Try that out yourself, so create an array, maybe of cars, and then print it out, try to change the values, and then you certainly have a better understanding of what an array is and how we can use it. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.